Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always stopping by. And if you're seeing my video for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Juliet. Kindly consider subscribing so you don't miss any of my future videos. So in today's video, we're going to be making this petal sleeve, or it's called tulip sleeve too sometimes, with a touch of gong sleeve to it. So I have my paper here. It's folded into two, and I am marking 4 inches, which we're going to use as the pleating allowance. That is what is going to cover for the puffy part on the upper part of the sleeve. Now I'm going to be marking the width. So I measured 14 inches wide for the round sleeve. I'm going to mark this now and then connect into a straight line like so. And then on this open side, I came down by 4 inches, and then on the folded end I went in by 3 inches. I'm going to make a curve like so, and then I will blend it out up to the extended 4 inches for the pleat, or the puff allowance. So after that, I'm going to make sure that what you have here is up to your round sleeve measurement minus the puff side. So next I'm going to be cutting like so. Also the length of the sleeve, so from aside that 4 inches, I still have my sleeve length, which is 10 inches plus another 1 inch, making it 11. So after cutting, I went ahead to notch the midpoint at the top and on the lower part as well. So from here now, I'm going to measure 6 inches to the side, and then I will make a mark. And then on this other side too, we're going to be using 1 inch for the sewing allowance. So I marked 1 inch in, and then I went on to mark 2.5 inches from the midpoint upwards. So I'm going to go on ahead now and connect these 3 points together like so. After which I will be cutting them out. And this is the pattern for the sleeve. Now we're going to place it on our main fabric and cut out 2 pieces right sides together, as you can see here, as well as the lining pieces. I've also gone ahead to iron paper stay on the main fabric, as you can see. So next I'm going to go join the sleeves using 1 inch by the side like so. After joining the sleeves on the sides, this is what we have, both the lining and the main fabric. So next we're going to place them on top of each other right sides together, and then go sew using 1/2 inch all around the lower part, as you can see. I'll be repeating the same for the second sleeve, just the lower part like so, all the way down. After that, we're going to notch these parts that are curved, just so that it relaxes when you turn it to the right side. After that, we're going to give this a good press before we proceed. So after ironing, this is what we have. This is what it's going to look like. So I'm going to just go sew so that the lining and the main fabric can become one. Just stitch on top of it, as you can see. Next, I am matching the center point. That's the notch we made at the midpoint like so. I'm going to use my pins to hold it first. Okay, it's quite thick. Next, now we're going to go make pleats. Look at the petal effect showing already. That is it for one. This is the second sleeve as well. We'll match the notch at the midpoint. Make sure they are matching. That's the only way it's going to sit properly. After that, so after matching all these points now, we're going to go make pleats at the upper part. So as you're making the pleats, you just make sure that what you have left at the end of the day is exactly your round armhole measurement. So we're going to go make the pleats like so. I just measure from the midpoint to where I have the overlapping going on, or slightly after that. You're at liberty to decide at this point. So I'm going to go make those pleats together and then attach this to the dress. Also, you can make the pleats before overlapping them. That's also another technique. I didn't try that here. But after making the pleats, this is what we have. I made it past the overlapping point a bit on this side, and this is what they are looking like. And what you do is you make sure that the way it's overlapping, the part that is overlapping where the petal is showing is on the front. That is it for how to make this sleeve. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.